ladies and gentlemen. We are rolling out with the Fiesta crew. Should be pretty fun. We got Dimitri in his S280 black car. We got Wes in his S280 white car. Hey, we got a dog barking at us. Alright guys, we got the R888s on. They actually look pretty good, honestly. Look pretty good. So they got the method wheels on it. So I think it will look pretty good. So let's see if we're gonna see if we can run pretty good. I gotta get the GoPro and everything set up. But yeah, let's get everything fired up and ready to go. We ran a 13.6 at 107, so that's pretty good. That was our first pass of the day. Our charge temps are showing like 97 though, and that's where we want it to be a little bit lower. But I will take it. That's not bad. We went from a 14.8 to a 13.6 at 107, so this car does have what it takes. But I'll tell you what, it is very weird with these Toyota R888s because man, they start going and it feels like you're on slicks. I mean, you feel like you're skating. Like you just feel like you're ice skating down the whole track. It is a definitely weird feeling.
$12.4, $12.4. 12-3, let's go.